हेलो, आज का MCQ बैटल है ऑन फ्रॉग, एक इंटरेस्टिंग और इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक। गेट रेडी टू चैलेंज योर ब्रेन। आंसर की वीडियो के एंड में मिलेगा, सो स्टे टिल द लास्ट। Q1 इन फ्रॉग, ऑक्सीजन dissolved in water can be taken by A. External nares, B. Spiracles, C. Buccal cavity, D. Skin. Q2 renal portal vein carries blood to A. liver, B. kidney, C. heart directly, D. brain. Q3 in frog, heart is enclosed within two-layered sac called A. mesochum, B. pericardium, C. pleura, D. conus arteriosus. Q4 in frog, deoxygenated blood is received by A. sinus venosus, B. left atrium, C. ventricle, D. truncus arteriosus. Q5 in frog, RTCs are A. nucleated and biconcave, B. enucleated and biconvex, C. nucleated and biconvex, D. non-nucleated and biconcave. Q6 in frog, cloaca receives A. fecal matter, B. gametes, C. urine, D. all of these. Q7 frogs can protect itself from enemies by A. clawed toes, B. spiny skin, C. camouflage, D. sharp teeth. Q8 a thin ball triangular chamber attached dorsally to heart of frog is known as A. truncus, B. sinus venosus, C. atrium, D. ventricle. Q9 the part of frog's brain which is continuous with spinal cord is A. cerebellum, B. medulla oblongata, C. midbrain, D. diencephalon. Q10 stomach in frogs contains A. calciferous glands, B. hepatic glands, C. polyterial glands, D. oxyntic and gastric glands. Q11 in frogs, testes are attached to kidneys by a double fold of peritoneum known as A. pericardium, B. mesochum, C. urinogenital duct, D. vasa efferentia. Q12 frogs are protected underwater by the presence of A. retina, B. upper eyelid, C. nictitating membrane, D. lower eyelid. Q13 frog is A. homeothermic, B. poikilothermic, C. homeostatic, D. warm-blooded. Q14 which of the following statements is false? A. the ovaries in frog are structurally and functionally connected with kidneys, B. a mature female frog can lay 2,500 to 3,000 unfertilized ova at a time, C. in male frog there are 10 to 12 vasa afferent arise from testes and enter kidneys on their side and open into Bidder's canal, D. the eggs of frog are mesolecithal and telelecithal. Q15 capacity of amphibians to change color is called A. synchronous, B. metachronous, C. metachrosis, D. none of theses. Q16 which of the following is present in the skin of frog? A. serous gland, B. mucus gland, C. chromatophore cells, D. all of these. Q17 total number of vertebrae in frog is A. 12, B. 10, C. 26, D. 33. Q18 Bidder's canal in frog is present in A. testes, B. kidney, C. ovary, D. brain. Q19 which is not true about frog? A. salivary glands are absent, B. maxillary teeth are arranged along the margin of upper jaw and the lower jaw is toothless, C. muscular tongue is bilobed at tip and free from behind, D. tadpole larva of frog has a short alimentary canal. Q20 male frogs can croak louder than females because being A. vocal sacs, B. stronger, C. Larger in size. D. Larger sound box. Q21. In frogs, heartbeat is controlled by A. Cerebellum, B. Medulla oblongata, C. Spinal cord, D. hindbrain. Q22. Frog's heart when taken out of the body continues to beat for some time. Select the best option from the following statements. I. Frog is a poikilotherm. 2. Frog does not have any coronary circulation. 3. Heart is myogenic in nature. 4. Heart is autoexcitable. Q23. The opening of rectum of frog is called A. Vestibule, B. Cloaca, C. D. None of the above. Q24. The kidney of an adult frog is A. Metanephric, B. Opisthonephric, C. Pronephric, D. Mesonephric. Q25. The number of fingers in the hindlimbs of frog is A. 4, B. 5, C. 6, D. 7. Q26. Croaking of frog is A. Hunger cell, B. Danger cell, C. Musical tone, D. Sex call for female. Q27. Which one of the following characteristics is common both in humans and a just frog? A. Ureotelic mode of excretion, B. Four-chambered heart, C. Internal fertilization, D. Nucleated RBCs. Q28. Frogs differ from human in possessing A. Nucleated red blood cells, B. Thyroid as well as parathyroid, C. Paired cerebral hemispheres, D. Hepatic portal system. Q29. Ureters act as urinogenital ducts in A. Frogs males, B. Human males, C. Human females, D. Frogs, both males and females. Q30. Select the correct route for the passage of sperms in male frogs. Q31. Which of these are the divisions of the body of a frog? A. Head, trunk, abdomen, B. Head, thorax, abdomen, C. Head, trunk, D. Head, thorax, trunk. Q32. Consider the following four statements. 1 to 4, related to the common frog Rana tigrina, and select the correct option stating which ones are true, T, and which ones are false. F. 1. On dry land, it would die due to lack of oxygen if its mouth is forcibly kept closed for a few days. 2. It has four-chambered heart. 3. On dry land, it turns uricotelic from ureotelic. 4. Its life history is carried out in pond water. Q33. One of the main function of frog skin is A. Diffusion of respiratory gases, B. Absorption of UV rays to produce vitamin D, C. Storage of excess food in the form of subcutaneous fat, D. Excretion of nitrogenous waste in the form of uric acid. Q34. Pericardium is A. Thin, opaque and four-layered sac, B. Thin, transparent and two-layered sac, C. Thick, transparent and three-layered sac, D. Thick, cuticular and two-layered sac. Q35. Number of cranial and spinal nerves in frog are 20 and 10, B. 20 and 20, C. 10 and 20, D. 10 and 10. Q36. Which one is wrong about external morphology of frog? A. Body is divisible into head and trunk. B. Male frogs have sound-producing vocal sacs and a copulatory pad on the first digit of phloem. C. The phloems have 4 webbed digits. D. Hind limbs have 5 digits. They are webbed and help in swimming. Q37. On phloems of male frog, well-developed pads are found for clasping the female of copulation is called A. Nuptial pads, B. Tuberosities, C. Suchial buds, D. None of these. Q38. In frogs, jelly around the eggs is deposited A. Water after fertilization, B. In water during fertilization, C. In the ovary, D. In oviduct. Q39. Which of the following is mismatched WRT Rana Tigrina? A. RBCs oval and nucleated. B. Renal portal system special venous connection between kidneys and lower parts of the body. C. Lymph has proteins and RBCs. D. Hepatic portal system special venous connection between liver and intestine. Q40. The length of the alimentary canalis frog is A. Short because frogs are carnivores. B. Short because frogs are herbivores. C. Long because frogs are carnivores. D. Long because frogs are herbivores. Done checking. Drop your score. Let's see who's topping today. If you want detailed explanations along with McQs, just comment below. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more neat drills. And yes, the next topic is even more exciting. Cockroach. So stay tuned. And don't forget to comment your score.